This is a John Deere X585, 62-inch power edge mower. It's got a mulch kit on it. That's the John Deere tilt trailer. The blade on the front is a 54-inch blade. The tractor and the mower is being sold for $7,500. We've got a series of attachments that I want to discount and sell as a group to whoever buys a tractor for a total of $1,500. I'll show you a picture of the attachments in just a second. And continue the view around the tractor. Tractor's only got 130 hours or so on it. Well maintained by Sloan Equipment, Monroe. It's always been in a heated garage, so it's been well taken care of. The attachments that are going to be grouped together for $1,500 are a AgriFab sweeper, a drop spreader with aerator. This is just a little small dethatcher, and the most important ones are the pull behind sprayer and broadcast spreader.